Ever open Spotify just to see this? This content is not available in your region. Whether you're traveling, stuck on school Wi-Fi, or living in a country where Spotify is blocked, I've got the fix. Today I'll show you 3 foolproof ways to unblock Spotify anywhere, including the best free VPN that works instantly. Let's get started. Let's talk about why Spotify is blocked. Here are some main reasons. The first factor is about geo-restrictions. Some countries outright ban Spotify, like China, Iran, North Korea, etc. Others restrict songs due to licensing deals, yes, even in the US and Europe. Secondly, internet errors will lead to this issue. Your school or office Wi-Fi blocks Spotify to keep you focused. But let's be real, we need our studying or working playlist. The last one is about region lock issues. Ever found a song grayed out? Blame regional licensing. Artists or labels restrict music in certain countries. Now, let's show you 3 possible solutions to unblock Spotify at school, work, or anywhere. VPN is a useful tool for unblocking Spotify anywhere. VPN means Virtual Private Network, which can encrypt your online traffic and hide your real IP address. Just connecting to a VPN, the network administrator cannot track your online activities, and your location will be masked. UFO VPN offers a fast, secure, and easy-to-use service that guarantees you can listen to music on Spotify without interruptions while keeping your data protected. With UFO VPN, you can connect to a server like the United States, Canada, Japan, etc. to break geo-restrictions or unlock regional content easily. Also, your internet traffic is encrypted, preventing third parties from tracking your activity. Last but not least, UFO VPN offers high-speed servers that ensure smooth, uninterrupted streaming of music. Now let's show you how to do it. Click the link in the description to download UFO VPN on your device. Then, open and launch it. Click and choose the server you want. Finally, when connected, launch Spotify on your device and enjoy your music now. The next tip is to use mobile data or a mobile hotspot. School Wi-Fi networks typically have firewalls or network filters set up to limit access to specific websites or applications. In this situation, you can turn off Wi-Fi and connect to mobile data or a mobile hotspot to use Spotify. The last tip is to change DNS Server on your device. DNS servers translate requests for names into IP addresses, controlling which server an end user will reach when they type a domain name into their web browser. By changing your DNS settings, you may be able to evade restrictions imposed by your network. On Android phone, launch Settings and go to the Connections option. Head to Private DNS and manually enter a DNS server, like Google, Cloudflare, etc. I've put the DNS server host names on the screen, and also in the description, you can save them as needed. On your iPhone, head to your connected Wi-Fi in Settings. Then, tap on the eye icon. Scroll down to find Configure DNS. Head to it and choose Manual. Tap on the plus icon and enter a DNS server like Google, Cloudflare, etc. and save it. After doing that, launch Spotify on your device and check if it worked. Which trick worked for you? Comment below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech hacks. See you in the next video.